Hey guys, so welcome to the Barrage family, guys. To this video, well, me, Ricky and Mark, we went out to going to the Asian market here in Newbern. So because I was craving with the Philippines fish, so we went there to get those fish. So guys, so this one is the, look at that, it's 4.59 smoked herring. So that one, guys, see, I miss that too. Still have in the refrigerator, but just only how many, like, I like that. And also the mackerel, see, mackerel, it's a frozen mackerel, so it's $7.49. So there's 3 pieces in there. And also this one, guys, look at that, round scad, galunggong in Tagalog. So there you go, see. And also milkfish, bangus in Tagalog. So this one, I like this one. I miss eating this one. Yep. And also I have water spinach. So that one, guys. So and longan. And now, guys, I have also the other one. Yeah, I'm ready to cook. So this one up here, guys, is hot. I have my the one baby milkfish marinated. So that's my lunch today. And rice, my rice is over there. There you go. It's almost, see that? And yeah, it's ready to cooking, to fry. And also, guys, I get here the yuca cassava. Mark is hot in there. I wanna make this like in our province, like puto, what is called the puto. Yeah, I wanna make that. So now gonna start cooking that. But I wanna eat them.
I didn't know we put the oil in there.
Yeah. That's my oil. So yeah, this is so I'm waiting to get hot that one. And yeah, that's my bangus milkfish. It was a sliced milkfish. And galunggong is round scud. And mackerel. And my smoked herring and water spinach. And I forget the name this one. What is that again? Longan.
Yeah,
I guess longan.
It's very good.
Yeah, it's very good and sweet. So, yep.
And we all got.
So I'm gonna waiting till it's cooking.
And we all got this in the Asian market.
Yeah,
But the yuca, we got it from Food Line.
Yep. I guess you need it. So that's one. It's cooking now. Look at that. So good, so good. And this is my rice over here. See? So ready to dig in. to begin.
Oh, that fish smells so good.
And I wanna dip with that with the vinegar and chili, hot ice, pepper like the small one. Good God! That's what I forgot. I don't have no more the chili. The green chili. Don't have no more? Yeah, I don't have no more the green chili. The finger chili. Oh, I still have it. I thought I don't have no more like the, yeah, I froze that one in the freezer, so I used that one when I cooked the bangus, and I still have got here the chili. Yeah. I guess it's ready to change it. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be good, guys. So look at that. Oh my god, it's so delicious.
Fish from the ocean. Not fillet of fish from McDonald's.
I'm soaking in. So I guess, guys, it's ready now. Alright. Okay, guys, so this is it. Luto na siya. And we are ready to eat. So, ayun na. I can't wait. It's been a long time. I did not eat this. Bangus. Looks yummy. Alright, guys, let's eat. So, alright, guys, so there you go, guys. We
What's
start eating now. No, that's my tail.
I want to have a tail.
Oh, okay, go get your tail. Oh my god. So,
There.
alright.
Hold on. What does it look like on the back? Mommy, look. The fish is still alive.
There.
Mommy, I forced it to go back into its form. See, it's still alive.
Yeah. So, alrighty.
Okay.
Start eating, guys. So, this is
Food,
my
my
food. Yeah.
Wow.
So, alright, guys. We're gonna eat now. Thank you, guys, for watching.
When I have rice in my mouth and I
The
say,
Bradshaw family.
bye
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Is this ever? Oh wait, this isn't even bone.
So that one is good, guys. There, I love in there. Well, guys, we fried another 2 pieces of marinated milkfish because the first batch is not enough for us. So here you go again. That's the second time now.
Wait, mommy, why are you using the cake cutter?
I don't know. So yeah. Later after we eating. Yeah, so this is the chicken butt. So put up your plate in here.
This.
There. Wanna use your plate?
Ooh.
That's fine.
One more. There.
Okay. Okay,
Because
hold on. Here is my plate. Okay. Put in there. Three. All right. So good because guys, it's really good. It's really, really good. No, it's not ready yet. We're gonna wait, guys. Okay, guys, so this is ready. Give me your plate. Yeah, that one is.
Mommy, if it was school, it would be snack time right now. Oh yeah, can you put one on mine? Just one? Can you put one on mine and one on yours? Oh, Mommy!
Here, oh.
And you're on video! What's up?
Whoop.
Ow! Awesome.
So, alright. This is it, guys. Thank you.
Mommy, we're